Hi guys, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to add bots to your Discord server in 2023. So if you want to add any bot to your Discord server, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your browser and you have to search for the Discord bots, and you will get this website at top.gg. Basically this website having multiple bots of the Discord, so you can select any bot you want to add in your server. So let's suppose I want to add this bot mushroom and click on add our Discord bot or get bot. Now you have to click on the authorize. Once you will do it, this bot will be added to your Discord server. So this is the simple way to add bots to your Discord server. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.